Welcome to Science on Location. Today will be our rocks, minerals, and soil introduction. The Metro Park that we will be visiting today is Quarry Trails Metro Park, located in Columbus, Ohio. Quarry Trails is the 20th Metro Park and recently opened in November 2021. Metro Parks has turned an abandoned quarry into a recreation destination for Franklin County residents and beyond. Quarry Trails is located within 5 miles of 350,000 residents, fulfilling a need for access to a park in this area and having a Metro Park within 5 miles of every Franklin County resident. Current amenities include trails, observation areas, single-track mountain bike trails, a picturesque 25-foot waterfall, and lakes. Located on the side of the Marble Cliff Quarry, which was once the largest contiguous quarry in the United States, it provided limestone for over a century that was used to build the Ohio State House, roads, buildings, and many other places in central Ohio. Funding for the park is a result of the generosity of Franklin County residents through their support of our tax levy and grants. Quarry Trails definitely made me think of our new science unit. It's an earth and space science, and it's rocks, minerals, and soil. This topic focuses on the study of rocks, minerals, and soil, which make up the lithosphere. Classifying and identifying different types of rocks, minerals, and soil can decode the past environment in which they formed. We will learn how minerals have specific, quantifiable properties. Minerals are naturally occurring inorganic solids that have a defined chemical composition. Minerals have properties that can be observed and measured. Minerals form in specific environments. We will also study the 6th grade Earth and Space Science Standard 2. Igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary rocks have unique characteristics that can be used for identification and/or classification. Most rocks are composed of one or more minerals, but there are a few types of sedimentary rocks that contain organic material, such as coal. The composition of the rock, types of mineral present, and/or a mineral shape and size can be used to identify the rock and to interpret its history of formation, breakdown, weathering, and transport, erosion. Our 3rd Earth and Space Science standard is igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary rocks form in different ways. Magma or lava cools and crystallizes to form igneous rocks. Heat and pressure applied to existing rock forms metamorphic rocks. Sedimentary rock forms as existing rock weathers chemically and/or physically, and the weathered material is compressed and then lithifies. Each rock type can provide information about the environment in which it was formed. Our fourth Earth and Space Science standard is soil is unconsolidated material that contains organic material and weathered rock. Soil formation occurs at different rates and is based on environmental conditions, types of existing bedrock, and rates of weathering. Soil forms in layers known as horizons. Soil horizons can be distinguished from one another based on properties that can be measured. The terms dirt and soil are not synonymous. Use the term soil. Our fifth and final Earth and Space Science standard is that rocks, minerals, and soils have common and practical uses. Nearly all manufactured material requires some kind of geologic resource. Most geologic resources are considered non-renewable. Rocks, minerals, and soil are examples of geologic resources that are non-renewable. In order to manufacture those geologic resources, we first have to get them out of the ground. One way is by using a quarry. So, what is a quarry? Quarry Trails is an old quarry. A quarry is a place, typically a large deep pit, from which stone or other materials are or have been extracted. Since it is an old quarry, I wasn't surprised when I saw signs like this that said danger, cliffs, please stay on trail. And of course, we saw tons and tons of rocks everywhere. It's pretty neat that you don't have to travel very far to be able to see what we're learning about here in school. But traveling the world can also help you learn so much about everything we're talking about. Let's check out a few places in Mrs. Alfor's travel book. Wait a minute, that's when we got married. As you can see, everywhere doesn't look exactly like where you live. Keep that in mind as we study all kinds of things in this unit. So as we begin this unit, I want you to think of the common and practical uses of rocks, minerals, and soils. What do you already know about them? Where do you see them? Where can you find them? And if you need a little bit of added inspiration, maybe you can take a trip to Quarry Trails Metro Park. All right, that's it for me. Take care.
Peace.